On Planet Navitas, part of our mission is to electrify our world, to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. That could be in creating electricity and also using that power. The kitchen is a great example. On this side we see a refrigerator. We're using gallium nitride and silicon carbide to improve the performance of the compressor and also the AC to DC converter in a modern fridge. On this side, we've got some great examples of motor drive technology using the GaN fast products. Whether it's a washing machine or a dishwasher, you can see in these great examples, these are tiny yet very powerful motor drive applications. In this case, our half-bridge chips. We've shipped over 3 million of these per quarter into home appliance applications. This is a kilowatt example, even more high power, over 1 horsepower. And here we have a representation for air conditioning. Of course, we also need to think about heating. And a thing called a heat pump is a great example of doing away with fossil fuel, natural gas or oil for heating, and using a heat pump to combine air conditioning and heating operations at very high efficiency with no CO2 at the point of use.